What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, subscription box unboxings, then you have definitely come to the right place. Please consider hitting that subscribe button if you haven't already. All right, so today we're unboxing a new Nomadik box. This one is the September 2021 box, and yeah, Nomadik sent me this to open up early for you guys. So the box, actually, if you have the subscription, you won't be receiving this box till around the 24th, 25th-ish of September. So I'm gonna show you what's in it a little early. If you don't want a spoiler alert, you had to watch another video. But that's what we're gonna do today. If you're unfamiliar with Nomadik Box, Nomadik is a subscription service. You can pick 1, 6, or 12 months to get these boxes that come in the mail every single month. There's a Nomadik challenge where you have a chance to win extra gear, but they range right around $30 per box, and it does go down in price per box the more boxes that you buy, or the longer your subscription. They have an ironclad guarantee. What that means is if you open this box, or if I open this box and there's something in it that is damaged, broken, doesn't work for any reason, or I already have that item, all I've got to do is reach out to Nomadik and they will send me a replacement item for free. They also have an option to where if you are going to be out of town around the time that box arrives, because you don't know what's in this box, so it could be something that is perishable or something that could melt. So if you will be out of town or not home when this box is supposed to come in, you can stop that month and pick up the following month, so you can skip a month. So really cool. Let's dive into it and check out what we've got in the September 2021 Nomadik box. Now, I did pay for a subscription, but Nomadik has sent me these to open up for you guys. So we're going to use the Gerber flat iron. That is the cleaver blade to open this box. If you check that knife out, that just looks awesome. I'll have a card up top for this knife. I did a review of it. So, cut away from you. I always get that in the comments that I didn't cut a box correctly. So let's open up. So let's we got a flap here, and here's our pamphlet. Each month comes with a pamphlet and is themed. So this one is Parks Safari. On the back side you'll have brand discounts and telling you like some pictures about the Nomadik shop, where you can go to nomadik.com and check out the shop. But brand discounts usually relate to items that are in the box. Looks like we have 4 items in this box. They are all listed here with a little description. And we have a Nomadik challenge right here and some tips. And these tips usually or always relate to the theme in some form. So we always like to keep this handy. If you're new here, we like to keep this handy just in case there's an item in here I don't know anything about and I want to read up on it for you guys. So, by the way, there will be a link in the description for Nomadik. You can get over there and check them out, make the decision if you are interested. There's a bunch of links on their website that show you previous boxes. I have a playlist here on this channel of all of the boxes that I have unboxed, which has been a lot of Nomadik boxes. So they are all titled by the month and year, so you can get over to that playlist and check them all out. So let's jump into this. First thing on top, we have, looks like a compass. It's a map compass, and from Ace Camp. And I have not had a compass like this in a very, very long time. This one is liquid filled compass, multiple scales, built-in magnifier, and convenient lanyard. So let's get it out of the box. There's our lanyard, little cheap lanyard, but a really, looks to be a really nice compass. It is all plastic. There's our magnifier right there and our compass. So yeah, I've got to do some work on learning how to read map with the compass. Honestly, I don't know how to do that. I've never had an opportunity to learn, but now that I have this, we are definitely going to be working on learning how to do that. So we've got the compass. Let's see what else we have in the box. Let's get all this packaging out of the way. We have our sticker this month. Pretty awesome sticker. Let's see what we have here. Toasty Super Bites, almond protein, plant protein from nuts and seeds. Okay, so it's kind of like a granola bar, almonds, looks like. So we'll check that out. I'll put it in the description how it is. I'm not going to eat that on camera, but I will put it in the description how it is. Let's see what we have here. Parks Project. We have had some products from Parks Project before. This is a bandana, 22 by 22, 100% cotton. Parks Project bandana. So let's check this out. All right, so we have, is this the 7 essentials? Respect and protect. Be considerate of other visitors. Respect wildlife. Minimize campfire impact. Leave what you find. Dispose of waste properly. Travel and camp on durable surfaces. And plan ahead and prepare. So just a good reminder on a bandana for you. I have used bandanas every time I go hiking or camping. I take so many bandanas with me, it is not even funny. So it looks like we have one last item. Okay, Kinglet compact binoculars. It's 8 by 21 millimeter compact binocular, field of view 357 feet at 1,000 yards, multi-coated lenses, and a neck strap included. So we are going to check these out. Let's just dive into them now. Why not, right? Get into that. See if we cut it in the right spot. Nope, we didn't. So let's figure out where we got to cut this to get it open. Well, they make them where it's very difficult to get into. I can tell you that. All right. Maybe that'll work. Let's see. Let's keep that. Oh yeah. Now we're getting it. Okay. So a little lanyard here, little neck strap, and oh yeah, these are pretty clear. I don't know what they retail for. I will put that in the description as well. I'll look these up and see, but that's rubberized here. Your adjustable part is rubberized, and of course this is adjustable too. And so I've never been able to figure that part out. If you guys can drop that in the comments. I've had binoculars over the years, but I've never been able to figure this part out with the plus and minus. So you guys that know, drop it in the comments and let me know what that's all about. All I know is to adjust here and it focuses, you know, but it does really good. I can see a pretty good ways here and focus a pretty good ways out. So I like these. Now I'm ready for hunting season. So got these. I'll drop them in the description below, and that is it. That is our September box. So if you enjoyed it, please hit that like button and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Like I said, a link will be in the description below for Nomadik. Also, don't forget to check out my website, thebeardedoutdoorsman.com. Over there, I've got links to all kind of different websites that I have affiliate links with. Also, some that I have discount codes for that I may not even be an affiliate, but I do have discount codes, so you can get over and check that out. Yeah, don't forget to check out the playlist of the other Nomadik boxes if you are interested. Like I said, I have got a pile of videos on Nomadik, so get over and check out the cool gear that we get every single month. Nomadik does say that these boxes have a retail value of around $50, if not more. This one, these are definitely the highest priced item in this box, and I'm gonna say that it is probably pretty close to a $50 box. This is gonna be the key, is how much that retails for. And it is hard to find a good compass for a cheap price. So we'll check that one out too, and I will have that in the description as well. So that's it. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments below. And until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.